What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. New pre-sale to talk about in this video that I think Dogecoin investors, Dogecoin holders could find interesting. We're going to talk about it. As always, not financial advice. Always do your own homework. And I'll say this with pre-sales, guys, right now, especially with brand new pre-sales, there's not the amount of interest right now that there usually is. So how I'm playing pre-sales right now, and I've been talking to a lot of my friends in the space about this too, like a 2 to 3x is really, really good right now with pre-sales, getting your initial out. There are some that have obviously crushed it, but a lot of the interest right now is on the open market and these new, fair launched type of tokens. But pre-sales definitely still serve a purpose. You can get in early, and I want to talk about this one currently and see if it is something you find interesting. Now, there will be links down below if you're interested in looking into this more at the end of this video. You can check it out. It'll be the first link down below in my description. As always, appreciate you guys stopping back by the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe down below. All right, let's get in and talk about this current pre-sale. So we're actually going to start over here on X, and this is called Play Doge, and this is currently in pre-sale, and they're kind of going off of the 90s nostalgia. If you guys remember Tamagotchi in the 90s, and how big that was. It was massive. I kind of caught that at the tail end, being born in 1990. But this was a huge phenomenon, right? So Play Doge is going to be an ultimate mobile play-to-earn game, P2E game that brings the iconic Doge meme back to life as a Tamagotchi. And you could see kind of how it's playing out here on screen. Secure your play tokens right now. That's going to be the ticker in pre-sale. Now, you may be asking, how's the pre-sale going? What are they doing? Right here, this little box on the right-hand side, you guys can see they're currently trying to raise 6 million in this round. Now, this is something that is raised over time. So far, guys, they've already raised $5.4 million, which is pretty crazy, considering this thing has not been out very long. So currently, if you decided to get in today, you can get in with Ethereum, USDT, or credit card. They do make it easy, which is nice. You can also buy with BNB just by connecting your wallet down here. And we are looking at one play being worth 0.005. So about a half a cent right now will be the token price you would get if you decided to get in here. Now, again, keep in mind, there's a lot here on the website, staking, their roadmap, tokenomics. I'll leave that up to you. Even their audit is on here. I'm not going to run through everything because this will be a 20, 30-minute video, right? I just want to kind of put your eyes on it and see if it's something that meets your eyes and see if it's something you want to look into a little bit deeper. I will show you a couple things here just with the tokenomics, because I do think that is important to kind of go over. It's a 50% pre-sale. Now, that to me is a little high. I'd much rather see that like 20 or 30%. Why? Because anytime you have 50% pre-sale, what I see in the space, anytime I see this, is it's really hard to get public interest, right? It's really hard to get public interest after 50% of the tokens are in pre-sale. Like if you didn't get in pre-sale, you don't want to buy at launch. You almost wait for a big sell-off and then buy it again. So like, honestly, when I see 50% pre-sale, if you don't get in the pre-sale, I would not be buying it right at launch because the pre-sellers are going to be taking a ton of profits. Now, waiting for that thing to kind of bottom out, and really this is kind of the same could be said for even ones that are 20, 30%, but just not as much of an impact. Wait for all of the pre-sellers to flush out, take their profits, and then see if there's open interest on the open market. You almost go lower than your launch price a lot of times. This is a trend I'm seeing, especially this year with pre-sales. So just keep that in mind. If you think, hey, I'll just wait until the launch, I wouldn't do that personally, not financial advice. You do what you want, but I would either get into the pre-sale or don't get in at launch and wait to see if there's public interest, whether it's 2, 3, 4, 5 days after launch, right? So I'll leave all the links down below for you guys to check this out. You could check into it. They do have a decent Twitter following, about 6,000 followers right now. There are a few people who I know in the space following them. So it's starting to gain some legs a little bit, gain some traction. And again, anytime a pre-sale can raise nearly 6 million, it can't be ignored. I mean, that's a really good pre-sale raise, especially from the ground up. And so we'll definitely continue to watch that. Also, appreciate everybody for following me on X. We just hit a big milestone. We just hit 100,000 followers on X. So I will be doing a giveaway over on X. If you're not yet following me, I said I'm going to be giving away $300 on X once we hit 100K. So join me over there if you're not yet over there on X. The link to that is down below in the description. Make sure you guys are checking us out over there. And we're doing the Crypto Breakfast Club now for 2 hours, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday. We're doing the Crypto Breakfast Club after our live stream on YouTube. So a lot of you guys know us on YouTube. We are, growing and building a really, really awesome community over on X as well. So definitely check us out over there. Appreciate you guys for watching. Links down below to this pre-sale can be found in the description, and we'll see you in the next one.